What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven on Facebook Live. Okay, just finished doing the YouTube live. Hopefully this video gonna be uploaded to YouTube. Okay. So Facebook Live while frying some burgers. Dominoes Seven is a semi genius of that. All right. Yeah. So anyway, I'm back frying some burgers, stuff like that. I haven't done Facebook Live in God knows when. Okay. So I am super duper happy that I'm back on Facebook Live. If some of you haven't been watching Dominoes Seven on YouTube or whatever, so come on now, get with the program. Wait a minute, is this on? Sometimes I'll be having trouble with this, so. Come on. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. All right. All right. So here we are, frying some burgers and stuff like that. Yep. And this is frozen right here. Raw and frozen. Raw and frozen. How about that? This is cooked. Fried. You hear me? Yeah, boy. How many of y'all like something like this? Dominoes 7 is here to roll with it. Yeah. So, if anybody watching this on YouTube, hopefully, eventually it's going to be uploaded to YouTube, So-and-so is watching. This person is watching. Who else is watching? I guess if there's somebody else watching, it's gonna be uploaded to YouTube. Okay, hopefully it's gonna be uploaded to YouTube if I carry it right. Okay, look at it. All right. So who else gonna? Sorry about that, folks. But anyway, as I was saying, who else gonna be watching this? So anyway, I'm about to stop. I'm about to stop this. Okay, so peace out, y'all. Come on. What's wrong with this?